Hello! In this video, we will discuss how to find volume and measures of shapes. These are a few of the geometry topics that will be covered during the Maths GCSE. Have a look at these parts of a circle. Can you correctly label them? Pause and have a go. Here are the answers. Remember, there are more parts of a circle than these. Here are two questions. The first question asks to calculate the area of a dinner plate with the radius of 13 centimeters. The second question asks you to find the circumference of a circular plate with a diameter of 14. Remember to round your final answer to the second decimal place. Pause and have a go. Here are your answers. For the first question, you must use the formula pi times radius squared. Since the radius is 13, you will multiply pi times 13 squared, which gives you an answer of 530.93 to the second decimal place. The second answer must be answered by using pi times diameter. In this problem, the diameter is 14. Pi times 14 to the second decimal place is 43.98. In this problem, you have a compound shape. Calculate the area and perimeter of the shape. Pause and have a go. To find the area perimeter of the whole shape, you must split it in two. The first part of the shape is a rectangle with the dimensions 13 by 7. You multiply 13 by 7 to get 91 centimeters squared. The right side of the shape is a quarter of a circle. To find the area, you would multiply the formula pi times r squared by 1/4. That will give you an area of 38.4. When you add the two, your area for the whole shape is 129.48 to the second decimal place. To find the perimeter, you must add the three sides of the rectangle. 13 plus 7 plus 13. That equals 33. To find the perimeter of the quarter circle, you must multiply 1/4 times pi times 14 plus 7. That equals 17.9995. When you add them together, your perimeter is 51.0 to 1 decimal place. In this problem, calculate the area and perimeter of the shape. To calculate the area and perimeter of this shape, we have to see that this is a rectangle with two semicircles removed from it. Remember, two semicircles is one whole circle. You multiply 15 times 10 to get the area of 150 centimeters squared. Then you would subtract the area of the circle, 25 pi. You will then get a final answer of 71.462 decimal places. To solve this problem, you can convert the measures at the beginning of the problem. Since 10 millimeters is 1 centimeter, then 7 centimeters is 70 millimeters. You would do the same for 5 centimeters, which is 50 millimeters. When you multiply, you will get an answer of 35 centimeters squared, or 3,500 millimeters squared. To calculate the volume of a cuboid, you multiply the length times width times depth. The answer is 240 meters cubed. To calculate the volume of the prism, you would calculate the area of the face and multiply it by the depth. For the triangular prism, you multiply half times 10 times 7.5 times 12. The volume is 450 centimeters cubed. To find the volume of the cylinder, you multiply pi times radius squared times height. That will give you 113.1 centimeters cubed to 1 decimal place. Thank you for watching. If you need personalized math support, contact www.thompsoneducate.com.